Hello kids. I hope that you have done the homework given to you in the for the last two exercises and practice the questions at home. So now in today's class we are going to start with the next exercise, which is also the last exercise of this chapter 3H. Okay? So let's begin with this. And the question number 1 is, a teacher had 60 books to correct. If he can correct 12 books in 1 hour, how many hours does he need to correct all the books? So let's do it. The total number of books here we have is 60, and in 1 hour the teacher can correct 12 books. And we have to find here how many books, how many hours would be required to correct all the books. So kids, number of hours required to correct all the books will be 60. That is the total number of books. Divide them by the number of books the teacher can correct in 1 hour, that is 12. So we have 5 hours as the answer. Number of hours is 5 hours are required to correct all the books here. Okay, now coming to question number 2, an office paid rupees 6,260 for 5 new desks. How much did each desk cost? Again, this is very easy. So the total amount here is rupees 6,260, and this amount is for 5 new desks. Number of desks purchased with this amount is 5. And what we have to find, the cost of each desk. How we can find this out? Cost of each desk will be total cost, divide them by the number of desk purchased. So let's do it here. 6260, divide this with 5. We have 1 here, 5, 12, 10, 26. 5 into 5 is 25, and then 2. So that means the cost of one desk is 1,252 rupees. Okay, easy. These are simply the division questions. Next is, a newspaper man delivers 72 newspapers every day. If he delivers 3 papers to each house, how many houses does he deliver to? Again, this is very easy. Total number of newspapers are 72, and how many papers he is delivering to each house? That is 3 papers. So how many houses will be there? It is 72 divided by 3. Simple division, and this will be equal to 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 4 is 12. So we have 24 houses he has to deliver. Easy. Next question is question number 3. I'm doing it here. So kids, this is very easy questions. They are simply the division questions. And we have already done such kind of questions in our grade 4 also. Let's do question number 4 now. Anaida finished her homework in 23 minutes on Sunday. So on Sunday, she is finishing her homework in 23 minutes. Okay. On Saturday, she needed 3 times that amount of time. So that means on Saturday, she is taking 3 times the time she is taking on Sunday. That is 3 into 23 minutes. How much time does she spend on her homework on both the days together? So we have to find the sum of the time she is spending on doing her homework on Saturday and Sunday together. Sunday we have, and on Saturday we can calculate. We can divide 3 into 23, which will give us 69 minutes. Okay, and then time spent together on homework on both the days, or we can say this as the total time spent is 23 plus 69 minutes. So this is 9 plus 3, 12, 6 plus 2, 8 and 9. This is equal to 92 minutes she is spending on both the days. Okay. And now the last question of this exercise. A large pizza has toppings of capsicum and onion. So here we have a pizza which has the toppings of capsicum and onion. And here a large pizza has toppings of capsicum and onion. In total, there are 25 pieces of both on the pizza. So what it is saying is that onion plus capsicum combined, there are 25 pieces. Okay. If there are 4 times as many onion pieces as capsicum pieces, so that means if for every one capsicum piece, we have 4 times of onion pieces. Okay. How many pieces of each vegetable are there on the pizza? So we have to calculate individually that how many onion pieces and how many capsicum pieces are there. See, what is given to us is if there are 4 times onion pieces, 4 times onion pieces as capsicum pieces, that means instead of capsicum, for every one capsicum piece we have 4 onion pieces. So I can write onion plus capsicum as 4 onion here, which is equal to 25. 5 times onion is 25 here, and now onion is equal to 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. That means we have onion is equal to 5 and capsicum is equal to 5 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 20 pieces. Okay. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this chapter, kids, and end of this exercise, end of this chapter. So practice all these questions at home, and if you have any queries on this chapter from anywhere, you can always mail me. I will check your mails and I will answer your queries over another video as required. Okay, so this is the end of this class, and I will see you all in the next class. Thank you.